So I was just sent this detector here by Rico Max. And what I'm going to do is unbox this. I'm not going to do an unboxing video because you guys have probably seen a million of them. But I do want to show you what's inside of the box. And then I'll put it together and I'm going to take it out back here. And I've got some coins that I'm going to bury. And we're going to check out the screen here, the VDI, visual discrimination, identification. We'll see how accurate that really is right there. But let me go ahead and unbox this here and put it together. And then let's just go check out this detector. Okay, you've got, this is going to be how to put it together. This is the user manual. This is the Rico Max GC1022B metal detector. And this is going to be the user manual. It's always a good thing to look through the user manual. What I like to do is kind of familiarize myself, play with it, and understand some of the buttons, and go back and read the manual. Maybe read it first, then play with it, and then go back and read the manual. You'll better understand what it's talking about. But let's see what's all in here. Let's see. This is the shaft. This is going to be a cool shaft here. You can see how theirs are connected there. Got a pair of headphones here. These look like some nice padded headphones. Nice, comfortable headphones. Let's see here. What's this here? Oh, they give you this cool little digging shovel here. Folds right up in this little pouch. This is going to be a little digging shovel. You always need a good little digging shovel. This should be in everybody's vehicle for emergencies. You're going to have the control box right here. This is the brain of the whole unit, I would guess you could say. Right there. Rico Max. You can see it's got a depth finder, sensitivity. There's your buttons there. I'll set that aside right there. Okay, it's got some, where's my cutter go at here? My cutter I'm going to need to cut this off here. Okay. Okay, there's this other thing here. This is going to be the padding here. It's got a QR code you can scan. Scan, contact them. That feels kind of comfortable right there. Oh, what else is in here? Let's see here. You've got, there's all types of goodies in here. There's your coral. Nice. And they even give you a bag too. Look at this. Get a carrying case. That's kind of cool. You get a padded carrying case. And you know what's really even nice? They give you batteries. You know how many detectors you buy, metal detectors nowadays? They don't even include batteries with them. You got to go out and get your own batteries, but they even include 2 9-volt batteries with this here. So let me go ahead and get this all put together. And like I say, we'll take it outside and test it out. Now that I've got this all put together, let me take it on outside and let's put it to the test. All right, I am now here in my backyard, and what I've got some coins in my pocket right here. I've got me a penny, a dime, a nickel, and a quarter. I'm going to kind of put these in the ground right here, and then let's just check this out and see how accurate this thing really is. Right here, let's just put the nickel right there. Put a penny right there. I don't even know which directions that they're in. And let's set this one back over here someplace. Okay, first off, you just turn this on. And look at your buttons right here. You got jewelry, memory, discrimination. You can put that in the different modes that you want to. You've got your backlight, got sensitivity. You can put that on to put your sensitivity high or low. And you've got your volume. Turn your volume up as high as you want to. Discriminate. We don't want to discriminate. Right there. Let's just see what this works in all metals right here. That's like coming in about what, 84. This one's coming in 33. This one's coming in about 82. This is coming in about 90. 93. So right there is, what is this one? That is the quarter. So 91, 92, 93 is quarter. Now if I switch modes, let's go to discrimination mode. Picking that dime up, picking the nickel up, picking the penny up, picking the quarter up. Let's go to jewelry. Still picks it up, but I picked a windy day to come out here to do this here. But anyway, it seems like this all works. This is the Rico Max detector, and of course, turn it on and off. Just push the button, it goes off and on. So it seems to do its job. It's a good entry-level detector. You know, if you want to have somebody just starting out in metal detecting and you're not sure if they want to get into the hobby, this would be a nice little choice to get a detector, send them out to the park and see what they can find. I leave you links down below. But anyway, this is it. Want to thank them for sending this to me, the Rico Max detector. Check them out.